It's your big day. Happy birthday to mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy 102.
Monkey.
Monkey?
To the zoo.
What?
Yeah. We'll try one time. All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday to you.
All right, let's give mommy the gift. Lydia, what are you doing?
Here, mommy.
You're funny.
Open it.
Okay. This is like color
Pink.
pink. Normally they don't do pink, but there's a reason to it. I know what he got because he asked me for it or about it, which one to get. And Julini helped him out. So this is, ooh,
You didn't read the card.
Wait, can I read it?
You didn't read the card in there?
My
where?
capsule. My
This
capsule.
part? You wrote something?
Read it.
Open it, mommy.
Oh, I didn't know you wrote down. Just as pink sapphires are nature's rarest of their kind. You are more rare and exceptional than these. Happy birthday, Charis! Oh, that's so sweet. Wait, did you write this?
Read this.
Julie wrote it.
With love and.
Wait, so you
Mommy,
told her?
Read this.
She just wrote it.
She just wrote it.
I won't take credit for it.
Okay.
Just read it right here. Huh? Read it right here.
Okay, this is Rose collection actually.
Read it.
My capsule collection in collaboration with Tiffany represents infinite power of love, embodying both the spirit of the Lock collection and the purpose of my music. Each Tiffany Lock Rose Edition design features pink sapphires, one of nature's rarest, yeah, that's what she says, sapphire colors, with love and appreciation. Rose. Rose, do you know the Rose who wrote this? It's the Blackpink.
Blackpink in your
area.
Wait,
Yeah.
they did?
Yeah, she collaborated with Tiffany for this edition.
Wait, she told them?
Tiffany Lock Rose Edition. I'm gonna open it together, guys.
Kayla.
So it is the lock. Oh, I didn't wear my lock bracelet, but it's supposed to be the same shape of the lock pendant here, but it's special kind because it has the sapphire, the color pink with the rose gold. Oh my goodness, this is so special. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, look.
More rarest of the kind. You are more rare.
That's super special.
Expertly.
We just came back home.
Blackpink wrote
I'm
this.
like, how is it?
That's good.
Is it looking too big?
No, I don't think so.
Guys, I'm trying to look at it through the camera.
I'm here.
Okay. So that is the lock pendant. Sapphire Rose Edition necklace. I think because
Tie this back in.
the way how it looks right here, you can clip any length you want, I will think. What do you guys think? I think my face is like so like melting down, but a long day.
Is it melting down?
Melting down.
Oh,
It's beautiful. Actually, this collection for necklace comes with 2 different sizes. This is a large there's a smaller one that is like half of this, so it should be small like this. And I saw Rose wearing this with the Victoria, the line necklace. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to try it on. But when my husband asked her what to get for my birthday, Juliani told him the list of it, and yeah, I think my husband liked this one. It's 10 at night and long day. Sorry about my appearance, but it is what it is. My husband just let me open this a moment, so I'm so grateful and so beautiful. So today's my birthday, and yeah, nothing special happened, but actually until last year I was like very emotional and homesick and stuff, but I thought I'll be like that too this year, but I'm actually not really. And I just went to Bible study and we just came back home, so I feel just really filled with the Lord. Actually, I'm happier now. Compared to last year, how I felt, I've been really grateful to the Lord that I am here still. I have new day and another day, and it's by His mercy I'm here. I don't know. I don't want to sound like too spiritual, or it's not religious or religion that I'm talking about, but it's just me with my Jesus. So I just want to share that little bit, I guess. But thank you so much. It's my birthday. And happy birthday to everyone who is celebrating your birthday in October. We have the same month birthdays, and yeah, happy birthday. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, and this is gonna be like a short and sweet, like short video what my husband got me. Oh, actually I have this that I got from my friend. So sweet. Her husband is a Korean and she's not, but she got me this. And beautiful. Oh, oh my goodness, she printed out the picture that I sent her recently. Happy birthday, CHARIS. Oh my goodness, this is so sweet. She wrote this whole thing. I'm not gonna read to you guys, but this I'm gonna enjoy reading. Oh my goodness. And here is the gift. She got me the Tatcha, the whole package. She says she loves this cleansing oil, so I'm very excited to try that. And I used to use the water cream from Tatcha, this one also. Super excited to try this, but thank you so much, Bora. She doesn't watch my video, she doesn't even know I have a YouTube channel, but anyways, I gotta go to sleep and catch to sleep. Anyways, thank you so much. Oh, I'm gonna add the part that I opened the birthday gift from Joy, my friend. I'm gonna add that right here, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye! Guys, it's my birthday! My friend Joy came, and I'm gonna open right here, and she packed it up in
my business. Sorry.
Yeah.
I didn't have time to go shop first.
No, but it's beautiful. I love the name Mommy. Oh, so Joy got something for me, and it's my birthday, and we just filmed the video, so I'll link that video up right here so you guys can.
Before you open, can I share something?
Yes.
It was really hard for me to pick something because my luxury staff friend, you are so knowledgeable about what is out there. But I remembered how you said you get very emotional and you get homesick, especially during your birthday time. So I found something that's related to our home country, Korea.
Korea.
So let's see.
Yeah. By the way, Joey's from Korea also, and I'm from Korea, South Korea, of course. And yeah. Joey has been here longer time than I did. So, but she came when she was young. And so you guys know the background, where we're from, and
So that's the brand.
Eloria.
I think Eloria. So this is a brand.
It's Korean?
It's Korean.
Okay.
So Loria, you see? Loria.
Oh, Korea.
So
Korea.
They wanted to introduce.
Joy, that's you.
So they wanted to introduce elements of Korea. So element EL. And then Ria.
Korea.
Loria.
Oh, that's what they did?
That's
really?
what they did.
It's not what you thought?
No.
Oh.
So Eloria, it's a Korean brand.
Hand lotion, revitalizing formula. It says, oh, hand lotion. I always, my hands are dry.
Yeah. So this is a perfume line. It's a
Oh.
Korean couple.
Oh.
And there's a story behind, I love stories.
Right.
I'm all about stories.
Right.
So they visited this perfume expo and they saw how all the luxury perfumes, they were from Europe, from America. But they're like, why not Korean perfume here? But it's so true when you think about it.
Oh.
So their goal was, let's do it. We're gonna do it.
Oh.
So this is a K-perfume, luxury K-perfume that launched not too long ago.
Perfume. Oh, really?
So it's
Wait,
brand
how
new.
did you know about it?
How did I know about it? My recent trip to New York, I was there 2 weeks ago.
Beautiful.
It's their first brick and mortar store in New York. So I was able to visit. That's how I got to learn about this brand. I was like, oh, wait, this is perfect for CHARIS. She's thinking of home, Korea. I was like, I wanted to gift her something that's related to Korea.
Yes.
And I thought it was their name, like Eloria, how they came out with that name.
Eloria. No, that I wouldn't even think that, but then a little bit similar
Right.
to Korea.
Korea.
And Elo, what's Elo, And the element, you
Element of Korea. Element.
Oh, element.
They
of
wanted to
Korea.
introduce like the elements of Korea. Yeah.
Oh, that's her card. It's beautiful. I know, me too. I feel so blessed that God made us be both sisters in faith, friends in Christ. I'm honored to be your friend. Yay. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, I mean, you didn't have to even bring me anything. Just by you coming, your gift, Just driving down.
For his birthday, a tangible gift is needed.
That's crazy. I'm like, I feel like Joy just spoiled me. She spoils me so much. I'm gonna have to go get the scissors.
So this is, I wanted to get everything. I was like, I wish I can bring everything home. But this is their hand soap and hand wash.
Wait, this store is in Jacksonville?
No, in New York. So I discovered them in New York. So you can only get it in New York, or you can shop online from their website. But I was like, I thought it was so special because it had my name on it. They called this collection Joy.
Oh my goodness.
Isn't it so pretty?
Oh, this is super hand wash. Oh, this is wash
That's
and lotion.
wash and this is lotion.
Oh my goodness, this is gonna be beautiful to put on.
Yeah.
Oh,
Isn't it
this is so luxurious.
Yes.
It looks very, very good. Oh, now I see more Eloria, the Korea.
The Korea,
Oh, look at this, guys.
Oh, it
I'ma
smells
smell
so
it.
good. Maybe you could twist up.
Maybe I can.
I got to
Very,
test
very
this.
nice. Oh, really? You got to taste?
I got to test.
Oh, tangerine. Is it?
Yeah. So Jeju Island in Korea, they use a lot of ingredients based off of Jeju Island. So a lot of citrus fruits there.
Oh, this is so good.
Oh, refreshing.
Very, very refreshing, and it's milky. It's not sticky. I can
not
tell. Yeah. Oh, this is love it. This is perfect. Perfect.
So the way they launched
very light. Yeah.
their perfume, they came out with 4 scents. Okay. they got their idea from Korean flag.
Oh.
You know those little trigrams on the sides of the Korean flag? So they each represent something. One, earth. That's what you're probably earth, heaven, water, and fire. Each represent.
I didn't know.
I know we're Korean.
Yeah, I had no idea. Oh my goodness.
So if there's a little brochure that I brought, so it goes over the 4 elements of the flag of the trigrams. So they created perfume. Yes, following those 4 symbols. So I didn't know what to get. So I bought the sampler pack of the all 4.
Oh, it's so nice, and I love the color pink.
Pink, yes, CHARIS pink.
Oh, this is nice as being simple. What is this?
I think they give you a gift card. So you see it says fire, water, earth, and heaven. So you can test.
Wait, so this is perfume?
It's perfume. So this is the
Guys, look at this. Oh.
But I got the trial collection just for you to try, since I didn't know which one to get for you because they were all gone.
Oh, you tested.
I tested.
Now it's kind of hard to smell.
It's
because
hard
of
to.
this. Oh, I'm gonna smell later.
Yeah.
And tell
So
you.
each day you try one.
Each day, yes,
You
yes,
try
yes,
one,
for
and then-
sure. Yes.
And then you open it. This is heavy. So out of the 4 perfumes, I chose 2 of my favorite.
Oh, fire.
Fire.
Okay.
And I got a candle.
This is candle.
Oh, their packaging is so good.
nice.
Right?
Very luxurious. Yeah. Very chic.
And I know you like taking hot bath, so you can burn this right next to you.
Oh, that'll be very therapeutic. Ooh. Oh, that's the sign. I need to go get
sign.
kids. Yeah. Oh.
I'm pretty sure you can smell fire.
Yeah, fire.
Fire.
Okay, fire. Oh, this is really nice. I love the gold inside too.
Fire.
Oh, fire. Wait, so water, you chose fire?
Fire and water.
So you like fire and water.
Because earth was too earthy for me.
Like
like
grass.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to burn that. I'm gonna burn that tonight. Oh, Lydia loves smelling. Yeah, she always like she always smell everything. Oh, water. But water could be.
But it's citrusy too, right? Very clean.
Yeah, very
Oh.
clean scent. Right? Oh, this is woody, like wood.
Like you can.
I can tell
You can-
wood
yeah.
and tree and like real smell to it. I love it. I love this packaging also. Very chic. I love black with gold inside.
It's good decor too, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. I have
Yeah.
some blacks
Yeah.
here and there, all white. So I love it. Thank you so much. It's
Enjoy.
beautiful. Yeah.
Think of Korea.
Yeah. Thank you.
We can't travel to Korea, but we have a little bit of sense from Korea.
Love it. Thank you, Joy. Thank you for coming.
You.
Oh.
Thank you for being you, CHARIS.
Yeah, it's like
I know.
kid. Like I always do that. I don't
This
know
is
why.
Korean.
Oh,
That's what it
really?
is. I do this to my employees too, and they're like, "Oh, Joy, why do you do that?" Yeah, I think it's a Korean thing. Yeah, you're doing a great job. It's more of like
Yeah, I know. We always
I
like,
know,
and
like-
they do like this.
Yeah.
Oh, funny. Anyways,
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna put this in the like birthday video. Bye. Say bye, Joy.